Where CRAs get your data. Business credit is credit obtained in a business's name. It's independent of the owner's credit history and scores. Business credit reporting agencies rely on objective data to calculate their scores. Objective and useful business credit data comes from a variety of sources. A business credit profile is independent of a consumer credit profile. It relies on somewhat different data, but it all points to risk. What is the risk of your company defaulting on its payments? All of the credit reporting agencies have the same mission. They measure whether your business can pay its bills on time. The differences are in the details. Some CRAs weigh public records more heavily, whereas others weigh payment history more heavily. Credit reporting agencies want to know your business's experience in the public sphere. This includes bankruptcies, liens, and judgments. This information generally comes from court documents. In the United States, PACER provides information on federal court cases. See www.pacer.gov. You can also find public record information at BRBPub. See www.brbpub.com. Credit reporting agencies are looking for filing dates, whether a bankruptcy or the like has been resolved, and closing dates. They also want to see the basics on court cases to determine if your company could be sued by another party at a later date. To recap, credit reporting agencies work with objective information. It is readily traceable to government records or court records and other organizations. The only subjective information is trade references. Contact us today to learn more about where CRAs get your data.